Hello everyone, so for today's video I will teach you how to change your mouse DPI or dots per inch. Okay, so let's start. First, let us search mouse settings. Next, let's click on additional mouse options. And then let's click on buttons. Here, as you can see, click this double click speed. If you will move this on the left side, it becomes slower, and on the right side is for faster. Okay, so if you are done with the settings, click apply and okay. Then let's click on pointer options. You can see there is a select pointer speed. It is the same for the left side for slow, and for the right side is for fast. And then click on apply and okay. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something for today's video, and thank you for watching.